How to fix missing screen record button on Android device. So if you want to fix the missing screen record button on your Android device, then what you need to do is you just need to simply go with your control center, which is on the upper side. Once you're on the control center, now you just need to simply go with the upper right, which has that pencil shaped icon. Once you tap on it, now here, if you have your screen record option on the bottom, which is right here, for example, I'll be choosing this one. So if you have your screen record right here on the bottom, then you won't be able to view your screen record button on your control center. So in order to have the screen record button, in my case, I have the button right here. So if you want to have the screen record button, then what you need to do is just drag it to the upwards. And after that, you will have the screen recording option. So that's how you can fix the missing screen record button on your Android devices. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.